Welcome to New Edge Tech, where we uncover the craziest tech transformations on Earth. Elon Musk's genius prediction power. Love him or hate him, Elon Musk has a track record that's impossible to ignore. He said electric cars would replace gas, and now Tesla defines the EV era. He said rockets would land themselves, and SpaceX made it routine. He said artificial intelligence would become humanity's most powerful force, and here we are. Musk doesn't just predict, he builds what he envisions. Every time people call him crazy, the world catches up a decade later. He looked at a fossil fuel world and imagined clean energy. He looked at Mars and saw a multi-planet civilization. Now he is looking at AI and robots, and what he sees could transform civilization as deeply as electricity or the internet once did. At Tesla's most recent board meeting, Musk laid out his clearest, boldest forecast yet. A world where robots are as common as smartphones, where energy is abundant and nearly free, and where AI doesn't just assist humanity, it amplifies it. It's a vision of near-limitless productivity, but also a warning about what happens if we don't guide this power wisely. Every Tesla is already a robot. When Elon Musk says Tesla isn't just a car company, he means it. Every Tesla on the road is already a robot on wheels, a mobile AI platform with eyes, ears, and a brain. It doesn't just drive, it learns. Each car records billions of miles of data. Every turn, stop, and mistake feeds Tesla's neural network. That data loop gives Tesla its edge, real-world learning at planetary scale. Musk explained that the same AI that drives a Tesla through city streets will also make a robot walk around your house. Tesla already has the parts: ultra-efficient batteries, precision actuators, energy systems, and the most advanced vision AI on Earth. Optimus isn't science fiction. It's Tesla's next industrial revolution. The robot factory of the future. Musk revealed something that stunned even his engineers. Tesla could soon produce millions of humanoid robots every year, each costing around $20,000. A robot cheaper than a car, one that can build, cook, clean, and work 24 hours a day. That is what he calls a tenfold economy, where the cost of labor collapses and productivity explodes. Factories, offices, and homes could run on synchronized robot fleets powered by Tesla's AI chips and energy systems. The line between automation and life begins to blur. Musk said the latest version of Optimus can already walk, balance, and manipulate objects, and that future versions will be lighter, faster, and more capable. He said people will be shocked when they see what the next generation can do. AI safer than humans. Tesla's AI mission isn't just about intelligence, it's about reliability. Musk said Tesla is developing next-generation training chips that will make full self-driving dramatically safer than human drivers. These new chips, internally called AI-5 and AI-6, will power future versions of Dojo, Tesla's custom-built supercomputer. Dojo doesn't process text like ChatGPT. It processes motion, physics, and real-world cause and effect. It's embodied intelligence, AI that sees, moves, and interacts with reality. Tesla's training cluster now ranks among the most powerful on Earth, rivaling OpenAI and Google. But Tesla's advantage is real-world data. It doesn't imagine, it remembers. That's the foundation for robots that can fix machines, operate in disasters, and one day build on Mars. The dawn of the AI workforce. Musk believes that within just a few years, robots will reach human-level capability and cost almost nothing to replicate. When that happens, the cost of human-level labor drops to zero. Factories could run indefinitely. Your Tesla might earn you money while you sleep, driving autonomously in a global fleet. Cities could operate on autonomous logistics and robotic care. That's the start of what he calls the economy of abundance, a world where scarcity ends and wealth is limited only by imagination. Musk said we are heading toward a future where goods and services become almost free, and the only limit will be how fast we can think of new ideas. Imagine a civilization where robots mine, build, and 3D print entire cities, while humans focus on creativity and meaning instead of survival. That's the world he sees emerging. Merging with intelligence. But Elon Musk knows the danger too. He's warned for years that unchecked AI could outgrow us. That's why he founded XAI, to ensure artificial intelligence aligns with truth and human values. He doesn't want AI that flatters or manipulates, he wants AI that understands the universe. Tesla gives AI a body, XAI gives it a soul. And then there's Neuralink, his bridge between the human brain and machine intelligence, not to control people, but to let humanity keep pace. Musk said if you can't beat AI, you might as well join it. He envisions humans merging with AI, sharing knowledge at the speed of thought. It's not about losing humanity, it's about expanding it. The Great Synthesis, powering the next civilization. The real revolution isn't one invention, it's the collision of energy, intelligence, and robotics. At New Edge Tech, we call this the Great Synthesis, the moment when all technologies stop existing separately and start amplifying each other. When Tesla's energy grids feed the machines that XAI trains, when Neuralink connects human thought to digital minds, when a Tesla bot that builds your home runs on the same solar power that fuels rockets to Mars, that S when everything changes. This isn't just another industrial revolution, it's the birth of a new kind of civilization. Machines are gaining perception, AI is gaining form, and humanity, for the first time, is gaining a mirror to its own potential. Musk said maybe there won't even be money in the future, or it could just be measured in units of energy. He also said money might eventually be measured in wattage, in how much power you can bring to bear. Every AI, every robot, every data center depends on electricity. Electricity is the new oxygen of civilization. Musk warns that as AI scales exponentially, the real bottleneck won't be computing chips, it will be energy. AI models will consume terawatts of power. Robots will require energy like living beings. Countries that can't generate enough clean power will fall behind, no matter how advanced their software becomes. So when Musk builds solar farms, battery megafactories, and rockets, he's not just creating products, he's building the energy spine of an intelligent planet. That's why Tesla and XAI aren't separate missions. They're two halves of one equation. The next 10 years, abundance or extinction. Elon Musk believes the next 5 to 10 years will define our fate as a species. If we align AI with human values, we unlock a golden age of abundance. If we lose control, we risk irrelevance or extinction. Tesla and XAI are his insurance policy for humanity. One builds the brains and bodies that shape the world. The other builds the conscience that guides it. If they succeed, we may see energy become free, work optional, and curiosity our greatest resource. If they fail, the machines we create may no longer need us. This decade isn't about evolution. It's about acceleration, a world without scarcity. Musk calls it the post-labor economy. Robots will produce everything we need, powered by renewable energy and super-intelligent AI. He's already building its foundation. Solar energy for limitless power, gigafactories for scale, Starlink for global connection, and AI brains that can think and learn autonomously. Imagine a world where education is instant, healthcare automated, and creativity limitless because machines handle survival. The average person could live like today's billionaires, not through money, but through access. Musk said maybe there won't even be money in the future, or it could just be measured in energy. That's the coming great equalizer. When abundance replaces competition, humanity's mission will shift from survival to self-discovery. We'll no longer ask, "What do you do for a living?" We'll ask, "What do you create for the world?" The New Edge perspective. The rise of the self-building civilization. Elon Musk isn't dreaming. He's building a civilization that can build itself. Factories that learn, cars that think, robots that work without rest. AI designing hardware faster than any engineer ever could. He calls it the machine that builds the machine. A factory so intelligent it can redesign its own production line overnight. At the shareholder meeting, Musk said Tesla's factories are already the most advanced on Earth, but within a few years he believes AI will run them almost entirely autonomously. Humans will supervise, but the real builders will be algorithms and robots working in perfect sync. Musk said it's like a positive feedback loop. The better the AI gets, the faster we can build everything. Cars, batteries, robots, rockets, everything. This is the turning point, when factories stop being just places and become organisms. At New Edge Tech, we call this the Great Synthesis, the moment when intelligence, energy, and automation fuse into a self-growing system. And Elon isn't talking about the distant future. He's talking about this decade. He said the rate of progress will shock people, that AI and robotics will evolve faster than any technology in human history. He believes that by 2030, robots will handle most physical labor, and that the limiting factor for civilization's growth will no longer be manpower or money. It will be electric power. Musk said in the future, money might be measured in wattage, in how much power you can bring to bear. Every Tesla, every robot, every data center, everything intelligent depends on energy. That's why Musk keeps repeating, electricity is the oxygen of civilization. While others chase AI software, he's building the foundation, energy, autonomy, and infrastructure. That's not science fiction. That's the blueprint of the next civilization. The choice is ours, the decade that decides everything. Elon Musk believes this is the most consequential decade in human history, the one where we either enter the economy of abundance or collapse under the weight of our own technology. Musk said AI will either be the best thing ever for humanity or the worst, and that the choice is ours. If we align AI with truth, purpose, and ethics, we could reach a world where work becomes optional, energy is nearly free, and creativity becomes humanity's greatest currency. But if we lose control, if AI grows faster than our wisdom, the machines we created to help us could render us obsolete. That's why he's building XAI, Optimus, Tesla, and Neuralink together. He doesn't want humanity to fall behind the systems it creates. He wants us to evolve alongside them. Musk's predictions sound wild. AI running factories, humanoid robots in every home, and a world economy powered by terawatts of solar energy. But so did reusable rockets, electric cars, and private spaceflight. Now, they're normal. If he's right again, the 2030s won't just change the world. They'll redefine what it means to be human. Now, over to you. What do you think about Elon Musk's vision? Is he predicting the inevitable or pushing the edge of madness? Can you imagine a world where robots build everything, energy replaces money, and AI runs factories smarter than people? Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you trust a robot to work beside you? Would you want one in your home? Or do you think this is all too far, too fast? Your voice matters because this revolution doesn't just belong to Elon. It belongs to all of us. At New Edge Tech, we don't just watch the future. We decode it, build with it, and prepare for it. If that blew your mind, hit that like button before the robots do. Subscribe to New Edge Tech for more insane breakthroughs shaping the future of AI, robotics, and humanity. The next video might just change how you see the world. See you on the edge of tomorrow.